This is the counter for setting how long you want to rewind. Now this here has the sensor. Here has the sensor. Okay, this sensor one flash. Here's the meter. Where here will be add 1. Okay, it means this shaft turning 1 circle. Okay, runs 1 circle means 0.251 meters. Okay. I want 7.53 meters per hour. So here, number 3, I need to set 30. Okay. Okay, and number 2 is for the machine. You stop. You put the error paper. Okay. Number 1 is for reduce the speed. Okay, because the first machine running 1 speed, by this one, then come to 1 speed, normal speed, then stop, then you put the error paper and second time start. Okay, then it will continue to rewind until reach number 3. It will totally stop, and if you put out the position, it will back twist automatically. Okay. Now I want rewinding 7.5 meter. Okay. So number 3 must be 30. Push here. Number 3. Okay. Shift means enter. 30. Okay. Good. So number 2 here. 2 is 25. Okay. 25. Okay. Number 1 is 20. Okay, that's all. Now I can. Now I'm going to start the machine now.